In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find API key in Notion. If you are connecting Notion to another tool, automating a workflow, or building your own app, you'll need an internal integration token, often called the Notion API key. We'll create it together. Copy it safely, and make sure you know exactly where to find it later. Everything happens in your browser, and no coding is required. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Notion's My Integrations page. This page lives on Notion's developer site. So if you don't have it bookmarked, you can search for Notion My Integrations and it should be the first result. Before moving on, confirm you are signed in to the correct Notion account and that you know which workspace you want to use. If you switch accounts or workspaces mid-process, your key might end up tied to the wrong place. On the My Integrations page, click the New Integration button. You may see a plus sign next to it. This opens a short form that sets up your integration and gives you access to the token. Fill out the integration details. Give your integration a clear descriptive name, like My API Key, so you can quickly recognize it later. Keep the name simple and avoid personal details, since the label may appear in connection lists. Next, choose the associated workspace where this integration should live. If the workspace you are expecting doesn't appear, switch to it in Notion and then refresh this page so the list updates. When everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom and click Submit or Save to create the integration. After the integration is created, look for the Secrets area, sometimes labeled Internal Integration Token. Click Show to reveal the token. Then click Copy. That long string you just copied is your Notion API key. Treat it like a password. Don't share it. Don't post screenshots of it and never paste it in public places. Store it somewhere secure, such as a private notes app or a password manager, so you can find it when you need it. If the copy button doesn't appear, you can select the token text manually and copy it. You can always return to the My Integrations page later to view or copy the token again. A quick recap. You opened the My Integrations page, created a new integration, named it, chose the right workspace, saved it, and then revealed and copied your key from the Secrets section. You now have a Notion API key, ready for your tools and automations. Thanks for watching.